until 8:15 p.m. At 7:09
That's
p.m.,
mine. That's
severe
me.
thunderstorms
That's
were
me.
located along a line extending from near Pleasant Mount to near Old Forge to Mifflinville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Hazleton, Muhlenberg, Dunmore, Kingston, Nanticoke, Plains, and Carbondale. The National
They call it Apply in July, and they're hoping to recruit students and make up for time lost during the pandemic.
Getting out and reaching out to those students that may not have been able to speak with their guidance counselor, speak with a financial need advisor, being able to do that, we hope will help students, put back on their bags to say, it's time to get back into school, time to finish up our education.
ESU officials say they've seen a slight decline in enrollment numbers. The tour starts July 6th in New Jersey. July 31st on campus. A list of tour dates and locations, you can find that at WDNH-FM. The weather's our big story today. Kevin Dirk is tracking a storm that are rolling through. Kevin.
And CBS employees have been instructed not to pursue things because
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lewiston County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m.
Life's full of make or break moments. That's why it's so important to help reduce your risk of fracture with Prolia. Only Prolia is proven to help strengthen and protect bones from fracture.
All right.
Every 6 months.